Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Acorn TV on Google TV step by step clearly. To activate Acorn TV on Google TV, start by turning on your Google TV device. Ensure that your Google TV is connected to the internet. On the home screen, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Acorn TV and select the app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the Acorn TV app. Once the installation is complete, open the Acorn TV app. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to log in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, click on Log In. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If you are a new user, select Start Free Trial. After logging in, you will see an activation code displayed on your screen. On a separate device, open a web browser and go to the Acorn TV activation page. Enter the activation code shown on your Google TV screen. Click on the Activate button to proceed. You may be prompted to sign in to your Acorn TV account again. Once activated, return to your Google TV. You can now enjoy all the content available on Acorn TV. If you encounter issues, double-check your internet connection and ensure you entered the correct activation code. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows on Acorn TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.